Thank you to LMNT for sponsoring. More on them later. Join me for a fun session of fall makeup, fashion, and an at-home manicure in today's video. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I'm going to start off by sharing a simple, everyday makeup routine that I've been enjoying a lot this fall. I start by taking the Merit foundation stick and marking that on my face and blending it in with my brush. Then I apply concealer in the places that I need it most. Next, this is one of my favorite beauty items. It's the By Mario Shape Stick, a contour stick. So I'll contour my face, usually my nose and cheekbones, and this just adds dimension to my face. It comes with a built-in brush. It's amazing. I'll leave it down below along with everything else that I'm using today. Then I set it all with Bare Minerals powder. Then I fill in my eyebrows. Next, the eyes. I apply the Urban Decay primer to my eyelids. And now I'm using the Merit eyeshadow cream in Mid-Century. It's a cream to powder soft matte shade that's gorgeous. I love it. And I'm applying it with the Merit brush. Then I put on some mascara. And now I apply one of my other favorites, the Merit Day Glow Dewy Highlighting Balm. It's really important that this is blended well, otherwise you have two streaks on your cheekbones that you might not see inside, but you will definitely see when you go outside. So I blend them really well. And then I'm applying the Merit Flush Balm in Terracotta. Then I apply the Merit lipstick in shade L'Avenue, and I go over it with their tinted lip oil in Taupe. This is my Leno makeup look for fall, pretty and glowy. On my nails is Londontown Mullet Over, which is a cranberry mulled cider color. So pretty. Let's talk fall fashion, mainly accessories. I wanted to share a new handbag brand with you, Patricia Nash Designs. She does beautifully made vintage-inspired bags that are so gorgeous. This Florentina bag really spoke to me. I love the leopard print on the front of the bag and the gorgeous deep brown full grain leather on the back. The top has a vintage scalloped opening and it has a lovely turn lock closure, a design detail that I really appreciate. This bag is stylish and sophisticated. Leopard print goes with everything, especially in the fall. So whether you have this bag or another leopard print accessory, maybe that you haven't used in a while, consider bringing it out and don't be afraid to pair it with different patterns and colors. I don't think leopard clashes with anything. I think it goes with everything. It is a neutral. I'm going to take a minute to tell you about LMNT, who have kindly sponsored today's video. LMNT is a tasty electrolyte drink mix with everything you need and nothing you don't. That means lots of salt with no sugar. It contains a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. Electrolytes are important. I do intermittent fasting, so I'm always thinking about replenishing my electrolytes in a safe way. I love the LMNT flavors. Every single one is delicious, whether it's citrus, raspberry, chocolate. They also have limited edition seasonal flavors. If I'm doing a longer fast, I usually go for raw, unflavored. Right now, LMNT is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any LMNT order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share LMNT with a salty friend. So get yours at drinklmnt.com/dailyc. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinklmnt.com/dailyc. Let's get back into fall fashion and talk about boots, a quintessential part to any fall wardrobe. So I have different types of boots for my fall wardrobe. I have riding boots, which I often like to wear with skirts and dresses, especially if it's really chilly and I want to cover up my legs so that they stay warm. I also have lower boots that go to the ankle or higher, like my Thursday boot captain boots, or my Thursday Legends. And basically, I think that your fall wardrobe is not complete unless you have at least one pair of boots that you like to wear. So I like to have high quality boots. For example, my Thursday boots have lasted me years. I've had these for so many years. Every season I bring them out. My Thursday Legend boot, this black matte boot with a slight platform heel, I always wear this one in the rain and look how good it still looks. As for riding boots, they are a classic silhouette. My 2 riding boots are from Clarks. Clarks is a classic shoe brand. They've been around a long time and they make high quality shoes. The first classic riding boot I have from them is the Asprey High in British tan leather. I think they also do this in black as well. And it's just that classic aesthetic of the buckle. It zips up on the side. It's a super chic, quiet luxury look. And then the other boot that I have that's over the knee from them, this is not a riding boot, but it kind of looks like one. And it has that over the knee aesthetic. And that is called the Pure Caddy from Clarks. The front part is in suede and the back part is elastic. All of the boots I have are very comfortable. They keep me warm in cold weather and they just get better with use. Love to know what type of boots you like to wear during the fall and how you like to style them. And now for a relaxing at-home manicure using one of Londontown's new fall shades, Mull It Over. I have already removed all nail polish from my nails and have cut them to the desired shape. I use a file to smooth them down and buff the top of the nails. Then I add some hot water and some of the native body wash to the bowl for a nice soak. I push back any wayward cuticles and then give myself a hand massage with the whipped hand cream. I go over my nails with nail polish remover to remove the creamy residue from my nails. Next, I apply the base coat. This is the Gel Strong Nail Hardener Base Coat. I'll link everything I'm using down below. Then I apply 2 coats of color. This mullet over shade is pretty. It's a perfect shade for not only fall but winter too, especially the Christmas season. When I'm painting my nails, I like to listen to an audiobook or watch a YouTube video on my phone. I tend to hold my breath when I'm painting my nails because I'm nervous, even after all these years, about making a smudge or a mistake, so I consciously engage in deep breathing to counteract that micro stress. If I do make a mistake or a smudge, I try to fix it with a Q-tip or a nail tool. After many years of doing my nails myself, I feel confident with applying color. It's actually a very relaxing pastime for me and feels like a creative outlet. I love painting my nails and making my hands look nice. Maybe because between typing a lot and doing housework, I'm always looking at my hands, so I want them to be pretty. After applying the second coat, I go over my nails with the top coat. And then I drop the accelerating nail oil on top to make them dry faster. Then here is the key moment, just letting them be for 10 minutes. If I do anything during this time, I will smudge them and all my work will be for naught. That's why I prefer listening to audiobooks, because I just continue to listen for another 10 minutes. Sometimes I'll lay down while I do this. I like to do deep breathing during this time too, and I continue that ritual, making this a relaxing experience. So here are my nails. If there are any minor mistakes like polish that went outside the nail, I let it all dry and then fix that later. I hope this encourages you to try doing your nails at home too. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you to LMNT for sponsoring. LMNT is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets for free with any LMNT order. So get yours at drinklmnt.com/dailyc. I hope you enjoyed this video today exploring fall fashion, makeup, and manicures. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.